In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure your website to use either the www or non-www version through Hostinger's hPanel. This is a crucial step to ensure consistency in your website's URL structure, which can be beneficial for your SEO efforts and overall site organization. Let's dive in and see how you can achieve this. Firstly, you'll need to log into your Hostinger hPanel. If you're new to your hosting panel, don't worry. Head over to Hostinger's website and use your login credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, where you can manage all aspects of your hosting services. Next, locate the File Manager option within the dashboard. The File Manager is your go-to tool for accessing the files that make up your website. Once opened, navigate to the root directory of your website. In this location, you'll need to find a file named .htaccess. This file is incredibly important as it contains rules that help your server understand how to handle requests for your site. If you're unable to see it immediately, ensure that your settings allow for hidden files to be visible, as files beginning with a dot are often concealed by default. Now let's get to the part where we enforce whichever version of the URL you prefer. Suppose you want to ensure that your website always uses the www version. Open the .htaccess file with your file editor, and at the top of the file, add the following lines of code. Enable the rewrite engine with rewrite engine on, then insert the condition with rewrite cond %http host abubas ncc. Finally, complete the rule with rewrite rule http www.%http host wasm 1 1 watch. This code essentially checks if the URL is missing www, and if so, it redirects users to the URL that includes it. If you prefer your website to operate using the non-www version, the process is just as straightforward. Instead, use a slightly different set of commands for the .htaccess file. Again, activate the rewrite engine and add the condition rewrite cond %http host wlas. Implement the rule rewrite rule aus http +1 l r301 to strip the www from any incoming URL. This helps streamline your URLs and redirects users to the clean non-www version. Once you've added your preferred code snippets, remember to save your changes. Checking your site afterwards is crucial to confirm that everything is functioning as expected. Simply open a web browser and type in your website's URL with or without the www, depending on which version you're enforcing. You should be redirected automatically to your chosen format, and there you have it. By following these steps, you can confidently manage and enforce the use of either the www or non-www version of your website's URLs using Hostinger's hPanel. Happy configuring!